Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about India's nuclear program and its historical facts. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In the day of 6th August, in Hiroshima, a bomb was exploded and in a few moments 210,000 people was died. World War II is almost about to end. America introduced the devastating power of nuclear bomb in front of the world. The first atomic bomb was detonated on July 16 in 1945, but in India it was happened after 29 years under the Prime Ministry of Indira Gandhi. Under the leadership of Dr. Raja Ramanna was the colleague of Homi Jahangir Bhabha. After the independence, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India and he decided to put Bhabha as a leader of nuclear program. But in 1962, Indo-China Wars was started. And in 1964, Jawaharlal Nehru left his last breath by a major heart attack and Lal Bahadur Shastri became the Prime Minister of India. पर इस सब के बीच में 1962 की वॉर और 1965 की इंडो पाक वॉर की वजह से हमारे देश की जीडीपी वैसे भी लो थी और बहुत सारे पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज के चलते वी बेसिकली और प्राइम मिनिस्टर लाल बहादुर शास्त्री कैन कॉन्सेंट्रेट हिज माइंड टुवर्ड्स दिस एटॉमिक रिसर्च. Although the Indochina War was a short time period of war and it was started in 20th October and ended in 21st November in 1962, but China understand that India was going to be a powerful country. Because of this, China was also wanted to be nuclear power. So China successfully conducted their first project, nuclear project in 1964. The name was Project 596, but its original name, which was confirmed by US intelligence, that is Chick 1. In 1965, India was again in war, but this time it's quite easy because our opponent is Pakistan. This war was ended in 1965 after 6 months of battle, but in 1966, India got a great jerk because Lal Bahadur Shastri, who's the second Prime Minister of India, was died or killed in Uzbekistan on 11 Jan 1966, and suddenly Homi Jahangir Bhabha was also died or killed through a plane crash in 24 Jan 1966. It's maybe a coincidence, but I'm not sure. What do you think? Write down in comment below. So let's move on. Then in 1968, a non-proliferation treaty was signed between Russia, UK, USA, France and China. But India, Pakistan, North Korea and Israel decided to not to brave in this treaty. इसके बहुत सारे कारण थे, वो हम कारण जिस दिन हम NPT के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे उस दिन पढ़ेंगे, पर फिलहाल तो ये जान लो कि उन्होंने नहीं किया था because of many reasons. The NPT was signed in 1968 and this time Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. In 1971, because of Indo-Pak War, India's nuclear program was delayed, but in 18th May 1974, under the leadership of Dr. Raja Ramanna, India successfully conducted its first nuclear program or nuclear test named Smiling Buddha.
When we first embarked on our nuclear program, most industrialized nations were very critical of us. Their disapproval, even hostility, continues. Cooperation is withheld and solemn agreements are lightly set aside. It is clear that in order to meet our growing requirements of energy for agriculture and industry, we must produce more electricity. We cannot depend only on one source. Excessive reliance on hydroelectric power makes us vulnerable to drought. We need a balanced combination. Our policy is to harness all sources, water, coal, the wind, the sun and the tides, biomass, and the atom. However, as I have said, our science, particularly our nuclear science, is dedicated to development, to achieving freedom from want, and providing the essentials of an honorable life for our masses. I repeat that we have no intention of embarking on any nuclear weapons program. We want, as someone has said, to make the deserts bloom and not to make the world a desert.
20 seconds, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5.
On the 18th of July 1980, India became the 6th country in the world to enter outer space and place her own satellite in orbit.
India was conducted its second nuclear test in 1996 under the Prime Ministry of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, and it was definitely again a successful test for India. And according to the Wikipedia, till now India had 3 successful nuclear tests in their list. So thanks for watching my video. If you got something informative, then like the video and share as much you can, and subscribe my channel if you're new here, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. हम इसी चैनल पे ऐसे ही बेहतरीन वीडियोस लाते रहेंगे और जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।